first. So we will continue to talk about the Hawk Yale Club mock paper 2017 to 2018 paper 2. So we stopped at question number 14 yesterday, and then we will start from question number 15 today. Okay, and so I will keep talking, and if you have any problems, just stop me, and then I will explain in more details. Okay， 嗱，唔好介意，即係停我啊，得唔得 ？OK， 如果唔係嘅話，我就即係總之而家就係等，希望係解到你哋明嘅啫，得唔得 ？OK。All right, 15. So the figure show a right circular cone. Find the curved surface area of the circular cone. Okay, so the curved. Let me wait. The curved surface area formula is equal to pi r l. Okay, pi r l, where r is the base radius and l is the slant height. Okay, in this case, so this is the formula we need, and then r is this one, RCM. Okay, it's the base radius, and this is the L. Can you see this? This is the slant height. That is the L. Here. So we have L equals to 6, and we have R is unknown, but we have an angle here. Okay, so when you consider the right angle triangle, like this, and then we have R is here, and we have right angle triangle, and we have 6 being the hypotenuse, and then we have the theta being 30 degrees here. Okay, and this R will be the opposite side, and 6 is the hypotenuse, 係嘛？對邊斜邊對斜鄰斜對斜 ，OK， 咁就係咧 ，we are going to use sine theta is equal to opposite side over hypotenuse, okay? And in this case, our theta is 30 degrees, and our opposite side is R, and our hypotenuse is 6. So R is equal to 6 times sine 30 degrees. Okay, and then when you use the calculator, you'll find that R is equal to 3. Okay, so that's how we can find the radius of the cone. And the question asks us to find the curved surface area. We just use the pi RL here. Okay, pi RL. So the curved surface area is equal to pi times 3 times 6. That should be equal to 18 pi cm squared. So the answer is option A. Can you get this? This is number 15. Okay. And then number 16.好嗱，呢題咧，睇下大家做唔做到啦。咁就如果呢題咧係屬於難嘅題目嚟嘅，咁如果呢一種即係呢種 area 比啊、面積比啊、長度比呢啲咧，如果大家 get 唔到嘅話咧，就 skip 咗佢算啦。呢一隻得唔得 ？OK， 因為咧呢一題咧，即係就算對於可能攞 level 5啊、5星啊嘅同學嚟講啦，咁都係一啲高難度嘅題目嚟嘅，有陣時未必諗到。即係未必可以即場諗到點樣做都唔定嘅 ，OK？ 所以呢一題咧，如果 get 唔到就 skip 咗佢，或者你認住呢個題目呢種題目，關於面積比啊、長度比呢一隻嘅話咧，如果到時你 可能即係你一開始頭10秒冇乜 idea 嘅話咧，你 skip 咗佢都冇問題嘅呢一個 ，OK。In the figure, ABCD is a rectangle. E is a point lying on AB such that AE to EB is 2 to 3. So this is 2 and this is 3. Okay. So I'm going to let it be 2x and 3x. Okay, because of the K method. Okay, of the K method, we have a ratio. And if we really need the actual value of that thing, we are going to use the 2K to 3K. But I just see that there are more than one ratios. Okay, so I'm going to use 2x, 3x, and then the other one will be 4y and 1y. So DF to FC is 4 to 1. So I'm going to label this, let this be 4y. And this one is 1y. Or just y is okay. Get this? And then BD and EF intersect at G. If the area of the quadrilateral AEGD is 78 cm square, AEGD, that is this part, is 78 cm square. Okay. Sorry. And the question asks us to find the area of BEG. Triangle BEG. So that is this one. 好啦，咁呢啲我哋應該點樣做咧？第一樣嘢，呢一個咧係一個 rectangle 嚟嘅。Okay, so in a rectangle, the opposite sides must have equal length. Okay, which means that AB should be equal to DC. Can you get this? AB and DC should be equal in length, which means that 2x plus 3x should be equal to 4y plus 1y, which means that 5x is equal to 5y. That is very good because we have a conclusion that x is equal to y. OK， 所以其實咧 x 同埋 y 係一樣嘅。OK， 咁一樣嘅話咧，我哋就唔使用兩個未知數咯噃，係嘛？咁即係我哋可以化簡一個啦。OK，so this one 4y becomes 4x. Okay, this 1y becomes 1x or just x is okay. Can you get this? And then, let me see. So we have 3x and 4x now. Okay, so that is triangle GEB and triangle GF dot. Okay, can you see that triangle GEB and triangle GF dot is a pair of similar triangles. Okay, similar triangles. Oh, that's it. Yes. So triangle GE4 is similar to triangle GF dot. Okay, because the two opposite sides are parallel, so all the corresponding angles are equal. It's AAA. Okay, so if these two triangles are similar, then the area ratio. Okay, so it's area of triangle GEB to the area of triangle GFD should be equal to L1 over L2 square. Okay, so that is BE over FD square. Okay, I'm using this A1 over A2 is equal to L1 over L2 square. Okay, I'm using this formula. And because we know that BE is equal to 3x and FD is equal to 4x. Okay, so this area ratio is equal to 3x over 4x bracket square. Okay, but the x will be cancelled by each other. So this ratio is equal to just 9/16. Okay, 9/16。好啦，咁呢一個咧，呢兩個三角形嘅比咧，咁就係9:16啦，係嘛 ？OK， 咁如果9:16嘅話咧，咁我哋又可以做一啲嘢咯喎。OK， 我哋可以 let 佢做9A 同埋16A。Okay, so we will let the area of triangle GEB be 9A cm square, and the area of triangle GFD be 16A cm square. Okay, so this one should be 9A. And this one should be 16A. It's okay. 好啦，嗱，跟住咧，睇先啊，等我抄過嚟先。Let me see. 跟住有啲麻煩添。我諗下睇下可唔可以唔加線先啊？唔得喎，要加線喺度。Okay, so we are going to add a line here. Like this. Okay. And because of the similar triangles, we know that because of GEB is similar to triangle GFD, okay, then we can say that the corresponding ratio, okay, ratio of the corresponding side will be equal. GE over GF is equal to EB over FD, okay. It is also equal to 3x over 4x, okay, or 3 over 4, okay. So EG to GF will be like this, 3 to 4, ratio of 3 to 4, okay. But we also know that the area of triangle GED to triangle GFD, the area of triangle GED to area of triangle GFD is equal to the length of GE to GF, okay, GE to GF, which is equal to 3 over 4, okay? But we have the area of triangle GFD, so we may find the area of triangle GED from this equation. So let's like this, area of triangle GED over 16A is equal to GE over GF, which is 3 to 4. Okay, so the area of triangle GED should be equal to 12A. Okay, so this is 12A. Hả啦，跟住咧，我哋揾到呢一個部分咧係12A 嚟嘅。差唔多噶啦。好啦，跟住咧，我哋再用呢一個。用多次啊 ，triangle ED boy 同埋 triangle E dot A。 Okay, triangle E dot boy 同埋 triangle E dot A。The area of triangle E dot boy to the area of triangle E dot A is equal to E boy to EA. Okay, but E boy is 3x, EA is 2x, and also triangle E dot boy. Area of triangle E dot boy is 12A plus 9A. Okay, and then divided by area of triangle E dot A should be equal to EB, that is 9A, divided by, sorry, it's not 9A, it's 3x divided by EA, that is 2x. Okay, so the area is 21A over the area of triangle E dot A is equal to 3 over 2, which means that the area of triangle E dot A should be equal to 14A. Okay, so this should be 14A. Now we have found that it is equal to 14A. Okay, so now the given information about 78 cm square can be used, right? 12A plus 14A should be equal to 78. 12A plus 14A is equal to 78 cm square, which means that so 26A is 78. So A is equal to 3. Okay, so A is equal to 3 cm square. And finally, we can answer the question. The question asks us to find the area of triangle BEG. But now we know that BEG is equal to 9A. So the area of triangle BEG is equal to 9 times 3. That is equal to 27 cm square. Okay, so the answer is option B. And that,好嗱，呢度咧，嗱，其實有啲快啲嘅方法，即係有唔同嘅方法嘅。OK，咁啊，可以有啲未必需要加線，但係咧就要諗多少少嘢嘅方法都唔定嘅。咁但係咧，我盡量想咧就係用翻淨係得呢兩招嘅啫。一係咧就係如果係 similar triangles 嘅話咧，就係佢嘅面積比等於底嘅長度比嘅2次。OK。如果佢兩個三角形係拍埋一齊嘅話咧，咁佢哋嘅面積比就會直接等於佢哋底嘅長度比，只係用咗呢兩招嘅啫，其實 ，OK 得唔得？咁其實咧，所有呢種題目咧，咁都可以只係用呢兩招咧，係可以破解到嘅 ，OK 得。Number 17。好，睇呢題咯。So in the figure, D is a point lying on AB, and E is a point lying on AC. BE and CD intersect at G. It is given that angle A boy E is equal to angle AC dot. 好啦，呢度咧冇 mark 上去喎。Angle A boy E is equal to angle AC dot. Okay, and then A dot is 6, AE is 4, EC is 11, BG is 6. Find the length of GC. So that is this one. 好，哇！呢題都幾難嘅喎，睇下先啦。佢俾咗呢兩隻角你，哦 ，OK。好啦，嗱，俾咗呢兩隻角係相等嘅，呢兩隻角啊。咁我哋可以講啲咩咧？其實你見唔見到係有一對嘅 similar triangles 喺度啊 ？OK， 我哋睇下呢一個 triangle A boy E。Can you see this? And triangle AC dot. Okay, so this angle is a common angle. This angle is a common angle. And then we have the other pair of equal angles. So the third angle will be automatically equal. So these two will be similar triangles, AAA. OK， 好啦，我哋只係需要咧寫出跟次序咁樣去寫出呢兩個 similar triangles。OK， so triangle A boy E is similar to triangle A C dot. OK， and reason is AAA。好啦，跟住咧，我哋就可以，我哋用啲角去到 prove 佢，去到證實咗佢係 similar triangles 之後咧，我哋就可以講到佢哋嘅邊長係成正比例啦。咁咧，我哋寫晒出嚟先。第一個係 A boy，A boy is corresponding to AC, right? And then the second pair, BE is corresponding to CD. And the third pair, AE, and AE is corresponding to A dot. Okay, so this is corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay， 但係你唔使寫嘅。好啦，跟住咧，我就填翻數字入去咯。A boy, we don't know. Just write A boy, and then AC, it is 4 plus 11, and then BE will be, we don't know. CD, we don't know. Okay, and then AE is equal to 4, and A dot is equal to 6. It's okay. 好啦，呢一度咧，我哋可以用邊一條式去到揾到啲乜嘢嘢咧？我哋可以抽咗前邊呢一個 A boy over 15 is equal to 4 over 6. Okay, so in the 4 parts in 2 fractions, we know 3 of them, and then we can calculate the fourth ones. So AB should be equal to 10 cm. Can you get this? A boy is equal to 10 cm. 好啦，但係我哋知道 A boy 之後，點樣可以揾翻GC 咧？睇住咯。If A boy is equal to 10 cm, so first we can find BD. BD is equal to 10 minus 6, which is equal to 4 cm, right? OK， 咁呢度咧，我哋第一樣嘢可以寫翻呢一個咧 ，BD 係等於4 cm 先嘅。Can you get？ 好啦，嗱，跟住咧呢度咧其實有啲都有啲巧妙嘅。我哋要用第二對嘅 similar triangles 啊。Okay, we are going to use the second pair of similar triangles in this figure. Can you see that these two angles are actually equal? Okay, vertically opposite angles. And then the two red angles are also equal. Okay, and therefore the third pair of angles will be automatically equal. So these two triangles, triangle G dot boy and triangle GEC, will be similar triangles. Okay, triangle G dot boy and triangle GEC should be similar triangles, AAA. And then again, we can write down the corresponding ratio or the ratio of the corresponding size of these two triangles. Okay, so GD is corresponding to GE equals to second pair, DB is equal to EC, and then third pair, GB and GC. Okay, and this is also corresponding size of similar triangles. Okay, but you do not need to write down. And then you just fill in the blanks. GD, we don't know. GE, we don't know. DB is 4. EC is 11. And then GB is 6. And GC is what we want to find. Okay? Can you see that from these two fractions forming an equation? Then we know 3 out of the 4 parts, so we can actually find the answers from this. Okay, so GC, so 4GC is equal to 66, and then GC is equal to 66 divided by 4, which is 16.5 cm. That is the answer. Option D. Got it? 嗱，呢啲比較難啲嘅喎，係嘛？我覺得。Number 18. 嗱，17題頭先嗰題咧，其實只不過係牽涉到2對嘅 similar triangles 嘅啫。咁所以我都希望你哋係學得識嘅17題啊。OK， 18題更加容易啦，呢題根本就係輸嘅題目嚟嘅。Okay, so find the sum of the 5 angles marked in the figure. 呢5個 mark 咗嘅角相加。Let me call them A, B, C, D, and E. OK， 咁如果你有做過 Form 2嘅題目嘅話咧 ，OK，Form 2嘅 textbook 嘅題目嘅話咧，呢題其實係輸嘅題目嚟嘅。點做咧？簡單嘅啫。我哋將喺裏邊呢個五角形，裏邊呢個面形啊，是但 mark 兩隻角先。Let me call this X。sorry， 唔係咁。喺呢個五角形嘅外角 ，OK， 我哋咁講啦，我哋喺5個三角形裏邊，其中揾一個，是但揾一個就得噶啦，我揾 A 呢個啦，揾埋佢另外兩個 ，let 佢做 X 同埋 Y。Okay, so this one is X, this one is Y. And then, can you see this? X is actually an exterior angle of this triangle. The red triangle. Okay, so angle X is an exterior angle. So X is equal to C plus E, exterior angle of triangle. Okay, and then how about Y? Y is actually the exterior.
Sorry， 啱你講嗰個 X Y 嗰個係點樣？可唔可以講多次？
嗱 ，X Y 咧自己叻出嚟嘅。咁咧，我哋是但揀，而家咪有 A、B、C、D、E 5隻角噶嘛？我哋是但揀一隻角，咁嗰隻角咧屬於一個細三角形嘅，我哋就想揾埋嗰個細三角形嘅另外兩隻角出嚟，咁我就叻佢做 X 同埋 Y 啫。好啦 ，X 呢一個咧係咪睇唔睇到係呢一個紅色嗰個三角形嘅一隻外角嚟嘅？外角嚟嘅 ，OK， 即係 exterior angle of triangle。咁樣樣 ，OK， 即係呢一個啦。而家呢個 X 係咪等於佢裏邊嘅另外兩隻角加埋 C 同埋 E 咁樣樣，得。咁咧同樣地 ，Y 嗰隻角咧係咪屬於藍色嗰個三角形嘅外角嚟嘅？所以佢就會 Y 咧就會等於佢隔離嘅另外對面兩隻角加埋啦。Okay, so Y is equal to B plus D. This is exterior angle of triangle. 得唔得？好啦，跟住咧，我將呢度所有嘢咧，咪所有資料咧擺晒落去呢一個細三角形呢度啊。咁我哋知道咧 ，A plus X plus Y should be equal to 180 degrees, right? This is angle sum of triangle. But what is X? x has been found to be c plus e. And what is y? Y has been found to be b plus d. Okay, from this equation, we know that a plus b plus c plus d plus e should be equal to 180 degrees. So that is the answer. The answer is option B. OK， 得唔得呢題？好，19題嗱，呢啲冇圖嘅 geometry 題目嘅話咧，我估你哋咧都係 skip 咗佢先好啲。OK， 有冇同學想講你19題？有冇同學做咗，但係諗唔到，想講講嘅？咁你可以出聲。如果唔係嘅話咧，咁呢題咧我會 skip 咗佢先㗎啦。即係如果有同學想講先講啊呢個。Let us talk about number 20. 因為咧，佢頭先嗰題咧，佢冇圖啦，要你自己畫翻啦，同埋佢有啲 statement 1、2、3嗰啲嘅話咧，其實起碼都做你3、4分鐘㗎啦。OK， 咁我勸你哋咧就唔好花時間落去呢啲題目嗰度做㗎啦。OK， 有圖呢啲又唔同咁講法喎。OK， 有圖嘅話咧，特別係 circle 嗰啲咧，其實咧可能會係比較簡單都唔定㗎喎。OK， 好啦，睇睇咯。Number 20. AD is the diameter of the semicircle。好啦，一見到 diameter 呢個字嘅話咧，你要記得我哋係有隻90度嘅。咁但係呢度咧，我哋邊隻係90度咧？佢係未有呢啲即係 angle in semicircle 嗰度嗰啲 angle 喺度嘅噃，係嘛 ？OK， 咁陣間嘅話咧，如果你需要嘅話咧，可能會加條線都唔定嘅。咁不過我哋睇埋有啲咩資料先啊。E is a point lying on AD such that CE is parallel to BA。好，咁我 mark 翻低先 ，CE is parallel to BA。Okay， and then if AB is equal to BC， 好啦，仲有喎 ，AB is equal to BC。Okay， angle BAD is equal to 63 degrees， and then the question asks to find angle ECD。angle ECD， 好啦，嗱呢度咧第一樣嘢，千祈唔好誤以為個 E 係圓心先。唔知有冇同學做嘅時候咧，一嘢就當咗 E 咧係 centre of the circle。小心啲，佢冇話過噃，係嘛？嗱，佢話 AD 係 diameter 直徑啦。直徑嘅話，當然圓心係會喺條直徑上面嘅，但係 E 呢一點係咪圓心嚟嘅咧？佢冇話過㗎。OK， 所以千祈唔好當咗佢係先啊。OK， 好啦，咁如果佢未必係嘅話，咁我哋可以點樣算咧？咁第一樣嘢，我用翻啲即係我哋肯定嘅嘢先。有 parallel lines 嘅話咧，係咪即係呢一隻係63度？ Can you get this? OK， 好啦，跟住咧，我哋頭先講咗啦，佢呢度有條 diameter 嘅話咧，我哋好想可以揾到係90度出嚟。有啲乜嘢會係90度嘅咧 ？Angle in semicircle 嘅話咧，我哋要加條線啦，今次我哋加條 boy dot 落去。OK，Can you see that angle A boy dot is equal to 90 degrees here？ OK， 我寫翻啲 step 出嚟先啊。Angle CE dot is equal to angle boy A dot is equal to 63 degrees. This is corresponding angles. A boy parallel to EC. Okay, and then second step is angle A boy dot is equal to 90 degrees. This is angle in semicircle. OK， 好啦，咁我哋咧加咗呢條線，揾咗呢個90度出嚟之後咧， 我哋即刻可以揾到邊個角出嚟咧 ？So we can immediately find this angle. Can you see this? Because of the angle sum of triangle A boy dot. Okay, so angle A dot boy should be equal to 180 degrees minus 63 degrees minus 90 degrees. Angle sum of triangle. That should be equal to 27 degrees. Okay, so this one is equal to 27 degrees. 應該仲跟到啊呢度。好啦，嗱，跟住咧有一個比較冇咁明顯嘅條件，睇下你記唔記得啦。但係咧，我哋好明顯仲有一樣嘢係未用到嘅。OK， 就係 A boy 等於 boy C 呢一樣嘢。A boy 等於 boy C 係咪？呢個未用到嘅。好啦，咁如果未用到嘅話咧，我點用咧？我有呢個 A boy 同埋 boy C 都係 chord 嚟嘅喎。我哋有 equal chords 就會有 equal angles。咁邊隻 angle 係望住 A boy 嘅咧？邊隻 angle 係望住 boy C 嘅咧？好明顯望住 A boy 嘅。嗱，記住一定要係 angle at centre 或者係 angle at circumference 先至得㗎。呢度冇 centre 㗎。咁嘅時候咧，我哋就集中去到揾有冇 angle at circumference 啦，圓周角啦。望住 A boy 嘅係咪 A dot boy？ 望住 boy C 嘅係咪 boy dot C？Can you see this? Okay, so these two will be having equal size. These two angles, I mean. Okay, because A boy is equal to boy C. Therefore, angle A dot boy is equal to angle boy dot C. And they are both equal to 27 degrees. Okay, equal chords, equal angles. Like this. So, this little angle is also equal to 27 degrees. Okay, finally, we can come back to finding this required angle because in triangle CDE, we have the first angle, we have the second angle, we can calculate the third angle by the angle sum of triangle here. Okay, so the required angle ECD is equal to 180 degrees minus 63 degrees minus 27 degrees plus 27 degrees. Okay, so the answer should be equal to 63 degrees. Okay, so the answer is option D. Can you get this? 嗱，呢啲咧你慢慢諗，因為咧即係我成日覺得 circle 呢啲咁嘅嘢咧係一定係唔使一啲好破格嘅思維嘅，但係你要有呢啲即係嗰啲 theorem 喺腦裏邊，簡單嗰啲就得㗎啦。OK。同埋咧，佢俾你嘅條件咧，其實都好明顯嘅，係嘛 ？equal chords 嘅話，咪 equal angles 咯。俾個 diameter 呢個字你嘅，你咪自己揾隻90度出嚟咯。俾條平行線你嘅，俾兩條平行線你嘅，你咪諗下啲 corresponding angles 啊、alternate angles 啊嗰啲嘢咯。即係唔使自己去好有創意咁樣諗嘅，你跟住順住佢俾你嗰啲嘅條件，有温到書咁就得㗎啦。OK， 好 ，next one number 11， 好頭先鄭朗欣問嘅呢個，我之前講過啦，呢啲咁嘅題目咧 ，sin、cosine、tangent， 如果要你化簡嗰啲題目嘅話咧，其實你最好就係塞個 x 等於10度入去，跟住計一計題目等於幾多，然之後逐個塞入去睇一睇個答案係幾多，邊個係會等於題目嗰個數字，咁就係答案嚟㗎。OK， 或者邊個唔係就要篩走佢，得唔得？好啦，咁但係咧，如果真正係 long question 要問嘅話咧，問你嘅話咧，應該點樣做咧？咁我濕數嗰度就唔喺度講啦。 得唔得？咁我就喺度講咧，就講一啲正圖先。Cosine 60 degrees over 1 plus cosine 90 degrees plus x plus cosine 240 degrees over 1 plus cosine 270 degrees plus x。不過咧，我想講俾你聽咧，喺咁多年嘅 DSE 嚟講咧，呢一種題目從來都冇喺 long quad 裏邊問過㗎嚇。OK， 從來都冇喺 long quad 裏邊問過嘅。所有出現嘅時候咧，都係喺 MC 裏邊出現嘅呢一種題目。OK， 咁所以咧，我會建議你哋真係練熟啲濕數呢啲技巧，去到偷翻一啲時間出嚟。好唔 OK？ 濕數，然之後撳機呢啲技巧啊。OK， 譬如陣間如果有啲 cosine square x 啊，你係應該要撳咗 cosine 10度，然之後將個 answer square。然之後一除二 answer 呢啲咁嘅技巧咧，去到用熟佢 ，OK， 即係做到每一次，即係每一次嘅題目咧，都係做啱為止，得唔得？因為咧，我即係翻查過咁多年咧，真係冇任何一條 long quad 咧係需要呢啲技巧嘅，即係化簡呢啲技巧嘅 ，OK。好，不過咧，咁啊都搞搞啦。Cosine 60 degrees pure number you may use the calculator. It is 0.5.Okay, or you may write 1 over 2. Okay, but it is okay to write 0.5 at this moment. And then 1 plus cosine 90 degrees plus x. 咁如果你記得嘅話咧，呢個就係我哋成日都話係 ASTC 嗰啲係嘛？咁樣樣。Okay, so we have AST.And C. Now, I want to find cosine 90 degrees plus x. 我哋轉隻角先，永遠都係喺 positive x-axis 開始嘅，然之後咧，永遠都係逆時針咁轉嘅，90度加 x， 我哋先轉咗90度先 ，OK， 90度，即係咁樣逆時針轉90度，然之後咧，永遠 x 或者個 theta 都係再多少少 ，OK， 變咗咁樣樣係嘛？咁嘅時候咧，嗰條邊會落咗邊一格嗰度咧，落咗 S 嗰格嗰度。但係而家咧，我哋係 cosine 嚟嘅喎，我哋踩落去 S 嘅話咧，即係 sin 嗰個地盤嘅話咧，我哋就要變 negative 啦。OK， 咁照抄 cosine， 得唔得？好啦，跟住 cosine 乜嘢咧？嗱，呢一個咧頭先我話90度，呢個90度係咪？跟住再加多 x， 呢個係 x 係個少少嚟嘅。OK， 咁咧記住我哋隻角咧呢度要填嗰個角咧，永遠都係黐住 x 軸嘅呢一隻角。OK， 咁如果隔離呢一忽仔係 x 嘅話咧，呢度係咪應該係90度減 x 啊？因為佢哋夾埋應該係一隻90度嚟噶嘛，90度減 x 嚟嘅。OK， 咁所以呢度咧我哋就要填90 degrees minus x 咁樣樣，就係咁樣化簡啦。三部曲啊，正負好就係睇下條邊。踩正自己嘅地盤定踩正人哋嘅地盤，中間 sin cosine tangent 就係照抄嘅啫。最後邊隻角就係要黐住 x 軸嗰隻角 ，OK，x 軸喺呢度啊，黐住佢條邊黐住佢嗰隻角就係90度減 x 啦，係嘛 ？OK， 好啦，跟住後邊又嚟咯喎 ，cosine 240 degrees pure number， so you may use the calculator。It should be negative 0.5 here. Okay, and then 1 plus 我哋今次 cosine 270度加 x， 咁我哋又嚟啦。270度加 x， 咁我哋先轉270度先，逆時針轉270度啊。OK， 先喺呢度270度，即係轉3格喎，要係嘛？90、180、270度。Okay, it's 270 degrees. And then plus x, 再加多 x， 咁即係再加多少少。Okay, so this is x. So the final angle will be 270 degrees plus x. Okay, so the line will be stopping at this box. So according to the ASTC, this is C box. 但係咧，我哋而家咧。 就係 cosine 嚟㗎係嘛 ？cosine 踩翻落 C 嗰度，即係踩正自己地盤啦。咁我哋就會俾個 positive 佢啦，或者你唔使寫 positive 都得啦。and then cosine 好啦，跟住係幾多度嚟嘅咧？就係記住呢條邊同埋 x 軸之間嘅角係呢一隻嚟喎，係嘛 ？OK， 咁呢一隻嗱簡單嚟講唔係 x 就係90度減 x 㗎啦。OK， 咁呢隻係咪 x 啊？唔係 x 啊嘛，因為隔離先係 x 嚟㗎嘛。唔係 x 就係90度減 x， 咁咪90度減 x 咯。90 degrees minus x。OK， 好，呢個係第一步嘅化簡。第二步，我哋有啲90度減 x 嘅話咧，咁你記得啦，呢度1 minus cosine 90 degrees minus x becomes sin x。OK，and then 呢個我變翻到 minus 啦，0.5係嘛？即係上面個負號擺翻喺前面 ，it's 1 plus sin x。OK， 好啦，跟住通分母呢個咧咪0.5乘以1加 sin x 減0.5乘以括弧1減 sin x。And then 1 minus sin x times 1 plus sin x. Okay? And then we have 0.5 plus 0.5 sin x minus 0.5 plus 0.5 sin x. And then we have 1a minus b times a plus b becomes a square minus b square. Like this. 上面0.5同0.5係咪減走咗？跟住咧，我哋有0.5 sin x 加多0.5 sin x。total 夾埋係咪1個 sin x？OK， 跟住下邊1減 sin square x， 咁你記得咧 sin 2次加 cosine 2次係等於1嘅，咁所以1減其中一個嘅話咧，就會等於另外一個啦 ，cosine square x。Can you get this？ 好，呢度咧基本上你做 long prep 嘅話咧已經做完㗎啦，咁不過又係你發覺咧好似冇答案喎 ，OK？ 冇答案嘅話咧，我哋睇嗰個就係咁樣樣。呢度咧 sin 嗱呢個比較難諗啲，我自己覺得啊，我會將佢變咗做 sin x over cosine x times 1 over cosine x。OK， 見唔見到二次方將佢拆做一次乘一次，其中一次就俾個 sin x 騎住，另外一次就自己做一個新嘅分數嘅分母。OK， 好啦，點解要咁做咧？點解我哋要分一次 cosine x 俾個 sin x 騎住咧？因為我見到個 options 裏邊，見唔見到有一個咧係有啲 tangent x 喺度嘅。OK， 點解唔見晒圖嘅？有啲 tangent x 喺度嘅，咁所以咧呢度咧係咪可以 sin x over cosine x 嘅話咧，係咪可以化做 tangent x？And then times 1 over cosine x. And then when a number is multiplied to a fraction, that number should be multiplied to the top part of the fraction. So that would be tangent x over cosine x. And that would be the answer. The answer is option C. Can you get this?得，就係咁啦。咁其實都幾麻煩㗎，我都係講佢呢題咧濕數好啲。OK，22。好啦，呢題咧其實應該唔難嘅，22題啊。咁睇下大家 get 唔 get 到咯噃。And ABCD is a quadrilateral with AD is perpendicular to CD. It is given that AB is 8 cm, A dot is 14 cm, CD is 12 cm. Find angle by C dot correct to the nearest degree. 呢啲咩不規則圖案咧？嗱，其實咧，即係如果你做得多幾題嘅話咧，其實一睇咧就睇到應該點樣加線嘅啦。I'm going to do this. One line, two lines. Okay? So let me call this E and F. OK， 將佢切割成一啲直角三角形同埋長方形。跟住咧，我哋可以嗱，呢啲當然係直角嚟㗎啦，呢當然係直角嚟嘅。OK， 我哋自己畫出嚟嘅，當然係畫到係即係最有用嘅。我哋最強嘅咧就係直角三角形啦，係嘛 ？OK， 睇唔睇到 triangle A boy E 啊 ？triangle A boy E。We have 53 degrees, and we have this hypotenuse. So actually, we can find the opposite side and the adjacent side. OK， 兩個都揾到嘅噃，係嘛？咁我哋咁樣啦 ，sorry。In triangle A boy E. Okay, sine 53 degrees is equal to opposite side, that is BE, over hypotenuse, which means that BE is equal to 8 sine 53 degrees. OK， 咁呢度咧我唔撳走佢住啊。仲有 cosine 53 degrees is equal to AE over 8. So AE is equal to 8 times cosine 53 degrees. OK， 好啦，我哋揾到呢一個 AE， 揾到 BE， 咁可以點做咧？嗱，記住我而家目的係想揾上邊呢個角喎，但係上邊呢個角咧係屬於邊個三角形嘅咧？係屬於 triangle boy CF 㗎係嘛？咁我而家咧目的咧就係想揾 BF 有幾長，同埋 CF 有幾長。如果我揾到呢兩條邊有幾長嘅話咧，我用 tangent theta， 我呢個當係 theta 啊，我用 tangent theta 呢條式嘅話咧，我哋就可以計到個 theta 出嚟啦。咁但係 BF 有幾長，其實已經差唔多可以揾到噶啦，因為咧 BF should be equal to ED. Can you see this? Because they are the opposite side of a rectangle. But ED should be just equal to 14 minus AE. But AE has been found to be 8 times cosine 53 degrees. So it should be 14 minus 8 cosine 53 degrees. This is BF. OK， 好啦 ，CF 又點啊 ？CF can you see that CF is actually equal to 12 minus DF? But DF should be equal to BE because they are the opposite sides of a rectangle. So they will be equal in length. But BE has been found to be 8 sine 53 degrees. So CF should be 12 minus 8 times sine 53 degrees. Okay, so now in triangle BCF, we have already found the length of BF and CF. And then we are ready to calculate the value of theta by setting up an equation. Tangent theta is equal to opposite side BF over adjacent side CF. Okay, so tangent theta is equal to 14 minus 8 cosine 53 degrees over 12 minus 8 sine 53 degrees. 好，呢度咧，咁你就可以撳機㗎啦，呢度係嘛？你撳一撳14減8 cosine 35度係等於幾多先？好，我呢度咧撳一撳機先啦啊！ cosine 53度。咁上邊呢一個咧，應該就係等於9.1855左右嘅。OK， 跟住下邊呢個咧 係等於5.6109咁樣樣。OK， 好啦，咁所以咧，我哋計個 theta 嘅時候咧，就係 shift tangent 呢一個份數啦。咁啊，應該係計到58.58左右啊。OK， 咁啊 correct to nearest degrees 嘅時候咧，咁應該就係等於59度啦。OK。嗱，總之呢一啲題目咧，其實咧耐唔耐都會出一次嘅。你要做嘅嘢就係將佢分割成為一啲直角三角形同埋長方形。OK， 就係咁樣嘅啫。咁你就由最多資料嘅嗰個直角三角形開始做嘢，一路將你嘅資料咧係 shift 到去你要揾角度或者揾邊長嗰個三角形嗰度。OK， 個技巧就係咁樣樣啦。OK，next one。呢啲 graph 嗰啲，我都係勸你哋唔好做住。OK， 呢個都係。嗱，呢一個咧，我解俾你聽24，因為呢題咧，你見到係一啲純粹直線呢啲嘅話咧，你試一試睇下，你睇下明唔明啊？因為咧佢呢個冇，即係佢嘅難度其實咧就係冇圖嘅啫。但係真正要計嘅嘢咧，其實唔難嘅。OK， 佢嘅難度係你要自己去到畫幅圖出嚟咁樣樣。OK， 得唔得？好啦，咁我睇睇咯。It is given that the straight lines 3x minus y plus 9 equals 0, mx plus ny plus 3 equals 0 are perpendicular to each other and intersect at a point on the x-axis。好啦，呢度咧你要 highlight 咗呢樣嘢啦。第一 ，perpendicular to each other。perpendicular to each other 即係咩意思咧？咁即係 m1 times m2 is equal to -1。OK， 然之後第二樣嘢就係 intersect at a point on the x-axis， 即係咩意思咧？佢哋喺 x 軸上邊相交於一點，咁即係話咧，佢哋嘅 x-intercept 就會係一樣喎。OK，same x-intercept。OK， 係咪㗎？睇下先。sorry。畫出嚟俾你睇下。咩叫intersect at a point on the x-axis 咧？咁即係咧，譬如咧，我哋第一條線係咁樣樣嘅，佢喺 x 軸上邊嘅 x-intercept 就係呢一點啦，係嘛 ？OK， 第一條線即係 L1 嘅 x-intercept 就係呢個啦。咁但係咧 L2 會點樣樣㗎 ？L2 咧，因為佢話咧 intersect at a point on the x-axis， 係咪即係咧？嗱，呢個畫得唔好準確添，因為咧佢係垂直嘅，仲要。咁即係咁樣樣啊，即係 L2 就係咁樣啦。佢哋首先係互相垂直嘅。第二就係呢一個咧 x-intercept 係一樣嘅。OK， 跟住咧佢問你 find the area bounded by the two straight lines and the y-axis。好啦，咁而家咧呢一個 y-axis 咧，我要延長啲啦。跟住呢條紅色呢條線咧，又要延長啲啦。 咁而家就問咧，即係呢個三角形嘅面積係幾多 ？OK， 即係講緊呢一個啊，呢個三角形嘅面積。OK， 好啦，嗱，咁我哋要揾啲咩咧？首先嗱，其實都多嘢揾嘅喎呢個啊，咁但係咧呢個並不是超難嘅題目嚟嘅。點解咧？因為咧所有嘢咧都係即係佢俾咗一樣資料你就揾一啲嘢；俾一樣資料你揾一啲嘢咁樣樣。OK， 呢個難度就係你畫得幅圖係啱嘅，或者會畫到幅圖就得㗎啦。好，第一樣嘢 m1 times m2 is equal to -1。咁咧我叫 L1 先啦 ，L1 就係 3x minus y plus 9 equal 0。咁陣間我哋其實咧我哋要揾晒嗰三樣嘢出嚟先嘅。OK， put y 等於0，我哋想揾 x intercept 嘅話咧就係 put y 等於0 ，and then we can find that x is equal to -3。OK， and then that is the x intercept is equal to -3。Okay, and then put x to be 0, and then we will find that y is equal to 9. So the y intercept is equal to 9. And then if we make y to be the subject, then the coefficient of x will be the slope. Okay, slope is equal to 3。揾咗三樣嘢出嚟先 ，L2 都係一樣。不過今次 L2 咧，由於佢有未知數嘅係嘛，有 m 同埋 n 呢兩個未知數嘅 ，mx plus ny plus 3 equals 0。咁所以咧，我哋會擸到啲未知數出嚟嘅 ，put y to be 0，and then x will be equal to -3 over m。Okay, so the x-intercept is equal to -3 over m. Okay, and then if we put x to be 0, then y will be equal to -3 over n. So the y-intercept is equal to -3 over n. And then if we make y to be the subject, so ny is equal to -mx minus 3, and then y is equal to -m over n x minus 3 over n. Then the slope should be equal to -m over n. Can you get this? 好啦，呢個咧係各自揾咗三樣嘢出嚟先。咁我哋有兩個資料喎，第一就係 m1 乘 m2 等於-1。咁即係咧3乘以呢一嚿嘢咧等於-1啦。但係咧呢一嚿嘢咧，我哋有兩個未知數，我唔中，即係我唔 set 佢做 equation 1先啦。我睇咗另外一個先，佢哋有 same x intercepts 係嘛？咁即係話咧 L1 嘅 x intercept -3，L2 嘅 x intercept 係-3 over m，should be equal。OK， 呢度咧得 m 呢個未知數，我哋 set 佢相等嘅話咧，就應該可以計到 m 出嚟㗎啦。OK，because they have the same x intercept. So -3 is equal to -3 over m, and then we can find that m is equal to 1. Get this？ 揾咗個 m 出嚟先。好啦，跟住第二個資料 because they are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, m1 times m2 is equal to -1, and then m1 is equal to 3, and times m2 is -m over n is equal to -1. But we have found that m is equal to 1, so it should be -3 over n is -1. So n should be equal to 3. OK， 好啦，揾咗個 m 同埋 n 咯喎，係嘛？ 好啦，跟住咧，但係我哋要睇嘅係呢一個三角形嘅面積。三角形面積係點計㗎？底乘高除2，個底係用呢一個。OK， 好啦，冇用呢個畫。個底用呢一個，然之後個高我哋就用呢一個。Can see this？ 好啦，但係底同埋高係點樣咧？嗱，我哋而家咧揾咗一啲嘅坐標出嚟㗎啦喎，已經係嘛？揾咗坐標㗎啦，因為咧個 x-intercept 呢個係-3，呢個係-3嚟嘅。OK， 其實應該係左手邊嘅，咁但係咧其實但唔緊要，我哋知道咧係-3，咁即係呢條咧個高咧應該係3嚟㗎啦。然之後咧個 y-intercept 呢兩點，即係個三角形嘅 base 就係呢一點同埋呢一點嘅距離啦，係咪 ？OK， 咁呢一點呢兩點咧係咩嚟嘅咧？就係嗰條線嘅 y-intercept 嚟嘅，一個係9，另一個咧係-3 over n 計到係3嚟嘅，所以一個係9，一個係-1。OK， 呢個係9，呢個係-1咁樣樣。OK， 咁所以咧成條嘅 base 係咪9減-1？即係10啦。OK， is equal to 10。You see this? So the base is equal to 9 minus -1, which is equal to 10, and then the height is equal to 3, and then the area is equal to 1/2 times base times height, which is equal to 15. So that is the answer. Can you get this? So the answer is option C. Oh, next. 喂，25題做唔做到啊？25題 polar coordinates 呢啲，嗱呢啲都係，反而呢個咧25題咧，你值得温下書嘅，因為咧基本上出得嘅咧都係唔牽涉到一啲好複雜嘅計算嘅 ，OK， 完全唔牽涉嘅。咁同埋咧，你記得咧，我喺堂上面教過你哋撳機嘅咯喎，係嘛 ？OK， 由 polar coordinates 轉翻做呢啲 x y 坐標嘅，或者調翻轉由 x y 坐標轉做 polar coordinates 嘅 ，OK？ 記唔記得點樣撳啊？嗱，我哋先將佢轉翻做 x y 坐標先，因為咧陣間呢一個咧係用 x y 坐標嘅，係咪？咁咧，如果你有部機嗱，如果唔記得咗嘅話咧，有部機可以攞出嚟啦。我哋咧，如果要轉做 x y 坐標嘅話咧，我哋撳 shift 減，即係 REC 係咪出咗 REC 啊？然之後咧，你撳2210，即係2:210，跟住刪括弧。記住有個逗號㗎，2:210，跟住刪括弧啦，跟住 enter。咁呢一個咧，第一個係咪出咗？佢會嗱，我哋有兩個數字喎，個 x 坐標同埋 y 坐標啊。OK， 咁 x 坐標咧就會出咗-1.732左右嘅。OK， 即係咧-1.73205呢個係 x 坐標。OK， 或者我咁樣寫先啊。X is equal to -1.732050808. And then y 咧係點樣撳出嚟咧？ 就係 alpha y。OK，alpha y 就係個 y 坐標，得唔得？如果你唔記得咗 x 嘅話咧，就撳翻 alpha x。你撳 alpha y，然之後 enter 就會出到負1嘅係咪 ？OK， 得唔得？但咧，你記得呢個 alpha x 坐標係一個爛數嚟嘅喎。爛數嘅話咧，你試下 square 佢 ，square 咗之後咧係3嚟㗎係嘛 ？square 咗之後係3嘅話咧，咁即係佢 square 之前咧就係開方3。但係咧記住呢度咧，我哋要 keep 翻個負號，因為佢係負數嚟嘅。所以其實咧個 x 咧 x 坐標應該係負開方3，y 坐標應該係負1嚟嘅，係原本呢一點嚟嘅。OK， 原本啊。跟住咧，佢就話啦 ，A is reflected with respect to the y-axis。而家咧係 reflection 係咪？即係反射啦，沿住 y 軸去反射，咁即係點樣樣啊？即係照鏡，邊塊做鏡啊 ？y 軸打動呢條啊。OK， 我哋先擺翻原本呢一點 point A 落去先，係喺邊一格嗰度嘅咧 ？x 係負數 ，y 係負數。所以咧應該係呢一格嘅 ，OK， so point A should be negative square root 3 and negative 1。OK， 好啦，跟住咧佢用呢一塊嚟去做鏡 ，y 軸嚟去做鏡，咁即係話咧左右反咯喎，係咪應該反咗去右手邊啊？呢個就係個 image 係嘛？咁個 image 嘅 x 坐標定係 y 坐標會冇變咧？首先第一樣嘢，佢而家係左右反嘅話咧，即係佢嘅上下高度呢點嘅上下高度係冇變過嘅，即係佢嘅 y coordinates is unchanged。其實都已經得翻 option A 呢個答案啦，係嘛 ？OK， 咁我睇埋啦，個 x 坐標又點變啊？咪正變負或者負變正咯 ？Negative square root 3 becomes positive square root 3。Okay, so this will be the answer. Option A. Is that okay? 就係咁啦。好，咁嗱，我可能今日咧就講到呢度先啦。咁我聽日咧會再講埋呢一份剩翻一啲嘅題目。OK， 咁特別係 statistics 啊、probability 啊嗰啲咧，我想你哋一定要做到嘅。應該淨係 statistics 啊，同埋咧有幾題係關於二進制係啦，呢題我都想你哋做到嘅，得唔得？同埋 I numbers 呢度啊 ，OK， 同埋後邊嗰啲 statistics 嘅題目 ，OK， 咁我聽日會繼續講嘅呢一份，跟住可能咧，咁我會用一堂嚟講啦，跟住第二堂咧又會俾一份新嘅嘢你哋做咁樣噶啦 ，OK。So if there is no more problem, I will stop the lesson and then see you tomorrow. You may go now. Goodbye.